So I'm going to the flying field again today, just to fly for fun. My friend Phil is bringing his multiplex Cub along. It's the one that I hit with my quad when I was following it. And it's been a while since I've flown a fixed wing model of that size, and it's quite windy as well today, so that should be interesting. He's bringing some quads along, and I've got a load in the back there, so if I manage to get any decent footage, then I'll put it at the end of this video. But here we are. Okay, let's give this guy a fly. It's lost its wheels, but the wind has completely died down, so should be fun. Oh yes! This thing is like butter with no wind. So predictable. Need to get one. Nice inverted.
Too much fun.
Yeah. Well, it's got fun written on the side, so you know.
There is that. I've got tape, scissors, I'm going to put the undercarriage back on in a bit.
Oh, do you want me to bring it down?
No, I've got loads of backs to help flight, man.
Nice barrel roll. Yeah, really likes the inverted. Surprising with that.
Not easy. I mean, sorry, it's not difficult, it's so smooth.
Surprising though with the dihedral that it's so predictable inverted. Mind the tree.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Scrape the tail on the ground. Nah, not quite enough.
4S, doesn't it?
Yeah.
4S and mixed flaps for a better response.
You were doing some quite low sort of snap maneuvers with it, weren't you? Sort of like that. Well, it does it.
Full power, full downstick, full left rudder, full left aileron.
Except 20 foot lower.
A little bit.
Sort of negative snap roll, is that what you would call it?
Something like that.
Got the full size version coming now.
He's way up, he's okay.
Ah, still turned very nice. Just drag the wing in the grass.
Have you noticed the servos are louder than the motor?
No. The servos are louder than that plane going over the top. At least you know they're working when they make that noise. Oh, it does a proper spin, like a stall spin. You read the writing on the side, that's where you know you're close enough. Oh, I'm not very good on the old aerobatics, the pattern aerobatics, not as good as you felt.
You've been flying hairdryers for too long.
Why are the wheels not on it again? Just kidding.
I'm not saying. I was finding the boundaries.
Yeah, that's what you got. See, that's what happens when you fly quad. You see, you get.
If you want to learn and progress, you got to find out where it all goes wrong.
That's it. That's it. You got it. Right. Okay. I'm gonna bring this in for precision landing now.
You missed.
Can see a fly on the mat.
Just went out of shot. Okay.
Yeah, so I've got some footage somewhere of you, Paul, Darren, all slagging this DJI system off.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know anything about it at the time.
Actually, do you know what you said? You said you didn't like the fan, but you said it was blowing in your eyes. I think the wind today.
I think when you're outdoors with it and you got a little bit of air moving around, it's fine. It's not something you notice, but on a hot sunny day, without that, you're going to steam up. You need it.
But I've got dirt on you lot though. They were picking the thing apart, and now all three of you have got it. Oh, Phil really pushing it. Yeah, audience mode breaking up there, but yours will be fine. Trying to spot the rain clouds coming. It's amazing how quickly the wind pushes it back, isn't it? Just from doing like a backflip or something. Yeah, so that's what audience mode does, it breaks up. Whoa! Getting close to the ground even when it's windy. Do you reckon the wind is today 15, 20? It's got to be, hasn't it?
15, 18.
Yeah.
It's okay if it makes you think.
I never think, just do. It's a problem. So you're thinking sticking an XM in this one, or you're not sure yet? Depending.
That's the next thing, yeah, just see what that does.
That'll be the easiest thing to do.
And after that, I'm definitely going to make my mind up. Oh, I've got to get another, well, I've got to get a DJI control set. Just for the fun of it. That was terrible.
Oh, no it wasn't, that was great.
That was awful. I felt drunk.
It's better than my ones. Told you, it's one of the most difficult maneuvers to try and do.
Not quite level's the trouble there.
But this is like, what, maybe your 7th flight with a DJI model, is it?
Pretty much, yeah.
So it's pretty incredible, really. And I would say maybe this time last year is when we sat down and we're on a buddy lead.
Yeah, it's just over 12 months, not long.
That's pretty impressive. So this is my tutorial on how to do formation flying. Phil is flying the quad and I'm flying the plane this time. It's usually the other way around.
Ready when you are.
Look it up, coming past now. Taking off. She's airborne. So just gonna keep it nice and slow. And slowly turning to the right.
You can go a bit quick if you want.
Look it up. About that okay? Okay, turning now. coming down on the throttle a bit into wind, and then I'm going to try and come low. Throttling up, missing the tree, watch out. Oh, you were so close. Okay, turning around. You got me, or you over the other side? Okay, I'm just doing a tight turn. I'm gonna flick it inverted. And then if you just gently land on the wing. Okay, turning round slowly. I was joking, by the way. Okay, coming in low, inverted. Shadow on the ground. Mind the tree. Okay, turning to the left this time. Just bringing it round. It speeds up here because of the downwind. Oh, wing over that way.
This is addictive.
It is, isn't it? It's the best thing.
It's a really good focus if you're flying an acro and you're learning.
Yeah, it gives you something to focus on, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna come around this time and go for a stall. You still got me?
Yeah, I'm higher up.
Okay. So, just coming over the strip now. Throttle up. And throttle down. Okay, coming in low. Oh! Okay, turning around the tree to the left. Trying to match your speed. To the right. I flick it inverted and come in low. Go around to the right this time. I'm gonna go for a roll, so I'll lift up and then the other way and turn him round. Gonna attempt a knife edge. Remember, the plane will have positive input, so I'm gonna try and keep it nose down, but not quite a knife edge, but there you go. Okay, turning around. What's your battery like, Phil?
Okay.
Okay. Try another knife edge then.
What was that noise? Did you hear a noise?
No. What noise?
Sound like probably a trailer or a tractor.
I didn't hear anything.
Man, I've got that.
Flicking inverted. You're having fun.
Yeah, you're going to have to land in a sec.
No worries.
See you pass and I'll follow through.
Okay, coming in low. Shall I come in for a landing and see if you can follow me in?
Yeah, sure.
That's fun to do as well. Okay, I'm gonna turn early, so now. This is where you might struggle with the camera angle.
I'm watching the plane too much.
It happens, man. Sometimes it happens and you end up hitting the plane, but you haven't done that.
Let's not talk about that.
There are wheels on this thing.
Ready to go?
Go. Whoa, that was close.
That's the shot, that's good. That's the one, man.
Okay, gonna go for a turn. To the right. I'm leveling out. Going inverted. Coming round to the right. Oh, the light's gone pretty dark. I think I can feel rain. No way. Okay, staying inverted, coming a bit lower. Coming round to the right. Okay, staying inverted. Round to the right. Oh, did you hit me?
You okay?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Still inverted.
I saw that coming. We're equal now.
We're equal. 1-1.
I didn't see any bits come off either.
Still got control, I think. I mean, it turns right.